Hey guys, today we're going to be making my Gyro meal prep bowls, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by prepping all our veggies. So we're going to cut up our cucumbers, and we want to cut those into little quarter chunks. So you're just going to cut your cucumber in half, cut it in fourths, and then just slice all the way down the cucumber. I use 3 cucumbers just because this is a meal prep, so we're going to be leaving a lot of it in the fridge to have meals throughout the week. And then we're going to take our cherry tomatoes that I decided to dump all out, which was a terrible idea. You're just going to cut them into fourths. I wish I had a faster way to cut these. I don't. If anyone does, please let me know. That'd be fantastic. So your cucumbers and your tomatoes should look like this. And then we're going to cut 1 head of lettuce. Make sure you always wash your lettuce before. And then I just took the top layer off because it was froze in my fridge, so it was a little wilty. And then after you cut up all of your lettuce, you're going to put it to the side, and then we're going to take a red onion and we're going to cut that into slivers. So take the ends off, peel it, and then cut all of that up into slivers like so. We love onions. They're delicious. And then you're just going to put all of that off to the side. And then I already have the brown rice prepped, but you're going to have brown rice. And then we're just going to literally put all of our ingredients. So we're going to put our cucumbers, our tomatoes, our lamb meat, which I also have another recipe on the channel showing how I cook the lamb meat, if you want to check that out. And then we're going to do avocado. After that, we're going to put on our lettuce, our red onion, and then we're going to top it with some crumbled feta. And then we're going to use a taziki sauce. So I use the Trader Joe's taziki sauce that they have just because it's creamy and easy. And with meal prep, it's just so much easier. I don't know. I just like doing the easy route a lot of the time. And then I just paired this with homemade hummus and pita, which is also on the channel if you want to see how to make the hummus. But that's it. Like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.